So, the test we want to carry out on our multimeter is the AC voltage testing. So, the first meter we're using is the Victor meter. The Victor meter has different ranges of AC voltage, which ranges from 2 volts to 750 volts. But for this our measurements, we're making use of the 750 terminal. So we're dialing our meter to the 750 position. So in order to test our AC voltage, so this multimeter also has the function of a backlight. You can see the way I want the backlight. So you have an extension here powered by an AC supply, 220 volt supply. You can see, but the first thing when using the multimeter testing is to test the continuity of the probes by dialing it to the continuity positions and putting the two terminals together to check the motor is okay. There's no problem with the probes. Then the next thing is to now to change it to the AC voltage setting. You can see the way we inserted the probes to the extension in order to measure the AC voltage. You can see we're having a measurement of 228 volts. So that is that with using the Victor meter to check our AC voltage. So what I did now is that I changed it to a lower reading, like to 200. You can see it's giving us a wrong reading because 200 is actually lower than the power supplied from the extension. So you can see it's reading infinity because the voltage is higher than the setting, which is 200. Now putting it back to the right voltage, 750, you can see we have a reading of 228 volts. So the next thing now to do is to take the same measurements using our second multimeter, the clean tools clamp meter. So we are going to do as we did with the first meter. So we are taking the dial key button to AC. So you can see with the sinusoidal waveform. So that is to say the meter is in AC. So if you want to change it to DC, you have to press the select button, that orange button, to change it to DC or change back to AC. So now it is in AC. So the next thing for us to do now is to the first thing to check the continuity, then to the voltage reading. So we have 227.5 volts. So that's the measurement of the AC voltage using the Kelvin tools meter. It is an auto-ranging meter, different to the Victor meter, which has a different positions, like 2 to 75 volts. But this is an auto-ranging meter. It's going to select its appropriate value itself. So what we need to do just to put it in AC, then test the voltage. It's going to auto-range itself. So that is it about the AC voltage testing using the two different methods.